Kirchhoff's voltage law. This is second law and also known as KVL, okay, or also called loop rule. This is also called loop rule, okay. Now in this loop, this is an electric network. This is one loop. In this loop, the sum of EMF will be equal to the sum of product of current and resistance in it, okay. So the energy provided by cell will be equal to energy consumed by these resistors or these elements. So there is some sign convention to solve such type of questions. In this, maybe we have to find out current, voltage, okay, all these things. So for this we have a sign convention that if the current is flowing from A to B, okay, and we are moving in the same direction, then this is at higher potential, this is at higher potential, this is at lower potential. Current flows from higher potential to lower potential. So when we are going higher to lower, then the potential drop across this will be minus IR, okay. Now for a cell, if in a cell we are going from positive to negative, then EMF will be minus E. Positive again higher to lower, so EMF will be taken negative. This is sign convention, okay, and we have to learn this. Now in this, again current is going from in this direction A to B, but we are moving in this direction, in opposite, right to left. So what happens? We are moving from lower to higher potential, okay. Current is moving higher to lower, but we are moving from lower to higher. So we are moving lower to higher, higher yani ki positive, plus IR. Similarly here, lower to higher, so again plus EMF, okay. Now the sum of EMF equal to the sum of potential drop across the resistors. And also a statement of this law also is that in closed loop of any electric circuit, the algebraic sum of change of potential is zero. This is based on law of conservation of energy, that energy cannot be created here and cannot be produced here, cannot be produced and cannot be given.